Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. I'm sorry, I can't even talk. Here I'm using the Revolution Pro concealer in the shade C12. I'm using it as an eyeshadow base. I find it quite easy to use. It kind of reminds me of the P. Louise eyeshadow base, but it's kind of expensive though. But this one's quite good as well. So let's see eyeshadow step. Here I'm using the I Heart Makeup Chocolate and Peaches palette. I'm using one of the lighter shades to set my concealer so that my eyeshadow can go on it very smoothly. Here I'm using one of the darker shades in the palette. I'm going for a halo eye, so I'm using one of the darker shades to blend out the crease and the outer corners. I know right now it might look like a muddy mess, but trust me, it's just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Here I'm using the same concealer shade in the shade C12 to cut my crease. Actually, I'm just cutting the middle of the eye just so that I can do the halo eye and just so that it can pop properly. But yeah. Here I'm blending out the edges of the halo so that my shadows can blend out seamlessly. Here I'm using one of the darker shimmers in the palette. Well, it's supposed to be a shimmer, but for some reason it didn't come out that way. But don't worry, it still looks a bit weird right now, but don't worry, just still trust the process. It's still gonna come out very okay. because of the colossal catastrophe the blue shade was, I decided to use one of the peachy shades in the palette and add to it in order to save this look. It was supposed to be a disaster, but oh well. Here I'm trying to dip in the outer corner of the eye in order for the shimmer to blend into it. Here I'm using the Revolution Renaissance eyeliner to draw on my wing line. Here I'm using Kiko mascara to apply my mascara to my lashes in order to blend with my falsies. Well, here I'm using the Ordinary Caffeine Solution. I'm applying that under my eye in order to depuff my eye and to wake my eye up because it's in desperate need of it. Here I'm applying the Alpha Albutin solution from the Ordinary. Apparently it helps with pigmentation, so yeah, I'm using that all over my face. I'm also applying Skincare's Vitamin C serum. It's a serum, but it's actually good for your face, and it serves as a primer. It has this tacky feeling to it. That means that your foundation is gonna adhere to it very well. Here I'm using the Ordinary foundation in the shade 3.1Y. I'm also adding the Colourpop No Filter foundation in the shade Deep Dark 185. It oxidizes, but at least it still gets me where I want to be. Here I'm using Collections Concealer in the shade Medium Deep 5. I'm using it to highlight my face, under my eye, my forehead, and bridge of my nose. Here I'm setting my face with the Sacha Buttercup powder. Here I'm using a powder brush to dust off the setting powder, and I'm using a face powder as well so that it would leave a yellow cast. Yeah, I'm using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze up my face. Usually I contour, but in this particular look I decided against it, so it's just bronze. Introducing my bunny bronzer for the bridge of my nose. Here I'm using an eyeshadow brush in order to contour the bridge. Here I'm using the Revolution lip liner in the shade Exempt. I'm using it to line the outer part of my lips. Here I'm using the Revolution Pro lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Show. It's a dark brown, but it's quite good. Here I'm using the new Primark highlighter. It's in the shade Arctic Eyes or something like that. I think it's a Fenty dupe, to be honest. But it's very good, very reflective, and obviously you can see that glow. You can really see it. Well, this is my favorite part of makeup tutorial. I'm using the Primark setting water. It's called Hydrate. It's very, very, very good. It gives you this dewy finish and it hydrates you. It's so good. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my video. It will help me very much. Thank you so much for watching and hope you come back.